Yeah. A very good afternoon to all. I hope I'm audible right now and my voice is very, very clear. Very good afternoon, D. Siri, hi, and Renika, very good evening and nice to meet you here again. And thank you so much for participating this particular session as well. And Jayapal, very good afternoon, and Sayyad, very good afternoon. Just Jatin, yeah, very good afternoon, and Abhi by Tech, very good afternoon. Very good afternoon to one and all. I hope I'm audible right now. My voice is very clear. If my voice is very clear in the sense, please mention in the chat box right now. In this particular session, I'm going to discussing with you that artificial intelligence overview and also the several technologies in subset of the artificial intelligence technologies. So without delay, I'm going to entering this particular session. Hello everyone. This is Philip BEDIT from Pantech eLearning, and I welcome you all for engage your learning experience with Pantech eLearning anytime, anywhere, and any places. We are always supporting the students in a technical way. What is our main vision? We are going to help 10 million students to learn the technical knowledge by the easy way. And I welcome you all this particular session, the workshop on artificial intelligence and also the machine learning technology. So I'm going to discussing with you today that the artificial intelligence technology. Already we heard something about this particular technology, and recently we are listening and we are hearing this kind of the word from different people, right? So for this particular technology, I am going to sharing the knowledge about this particular technology within this hours. Are you guys are ready to get into this particular session? Are you guys are ready? If you guys are ready means please mention in the chat box, yes, Philip. So I welcome you all this particular session and I hope very audible. And before entering the session, I will tell you one thing. I believe in interaction, okay? So because of in every session, I mentioned one thing to all the participants. Why? Because of I need a more interaction. I want to making my session as an interesting way. So for that, we need an interaction and I need a more interaction. So you have to please be interact with me. That is the most important thing. Okay, so I hope you guys are ready to interact with me right now. So maybe some of the concepts you knows about it. So for that, I need a more interaction from you guys. I hope you people are ready to interact with me right now. If you guys are ready means, please mention the chat box. Yes, Philip. Most of the people calling me as sir. Don't call me sir. Call me Philip is more comfortable. Why? Because of I'm your friend and I'm your mentor. So call me Philip is more comfortable for my side. Okay, right? So without delay, I'm going to entering this particular starter explanation of artificial intelligence technology. Recently, we hear this kind of the word from different people. Artificial intelligence. Now, we are living in this particular technology in present scenario. Yes, of course. We are living in this particular technology and we are comfortable with this particular technology right now. Why? Because of, yeah, why? Because of we are using the smartphone right now. Everyone having the smartphone right now. We are very most adaptive with the help of that particular device. Why? Because of sometimes we are very addictive on the several applications in present scenario. We could see the many people. What does that exactly means? We are very comfortable with the help of these particular technology. Am I right? Yeah. So here, yes, and thank you, Shubham. Thank you so much. Good to see this kind of the comments from you. Thank you so much. Yeah. In recent times, we are very familiar with the smartphones. Maybe just imagine. Just for the general discussion. So without discussing anything, I don't believe that concept will not get into you. So for that, I want to share some kind of the stories about the artificial intelligence technology. So I hope you guys are also ready to and interested to listen that. I hope. Okay, if it is yes in the sense, please mention in the chat box also. Okay, so I have several questions to you as well. So when I'm asking the question, you have to give the answer for that particular question as well. Why? Because of I need interaction. Try to understand. Yeah. So I have one particular story about this particular technology. Now we are very familiar with technology. While I'm sitting here, I can do anything with the help of the internet and also with the help of the smartphone, with the help of the different applications. Is it right? Is it right? So I'm sitting like this. I can do anything. Okay, I can do anything with the help of like that smartphone and also the internet and several applications. I can do. But the 15 years or 10 years before, is it possible? Is it possible? And people were ready to adapt that? No. Am I right? People are ready to adapt that? No, because of people didn't get any awareness on the technology. That and the artificial intelligence technology is also not booming. But it is the oldest technology. But people are telling like, yeah, of course, it is a very booming technology and it is actually like, it is present technology. But it is not. It created maybe that several years before. But people were not ready to use that particular technology. That is the reason only now it is very booming. Am I right? Are you agreed the points of this? Are you agreed, guys? So if you agreed means, please mention in the chat box, agreed, Philip. Yeah, of course. Why? Because of that time, this was, there is no sources to adapt that particular technology. And we are not familiar with that particular technology on that time. 10-15 years before. You want to pay anything, you are going to directly and give the money in a raw money. Making the payments, just for the example. You want to play something. So I went outside and play something. You want to play in online games, in the sense you should go somewhere else. Right? So that is also kind of the evaluation, right? Yeah. But 15 years before, our lifestyle is completely different. Why? Because of we are not mingled with this kind of the technology, because of there is no sources. We can't adapt that particular technology, and people were not ready to adapt that particular technology. And try to understand one thing, the exact scenario, it's like some political way also, fine, no problem. 15 years before, we don't know what is the digital transaction. We didn't know anything about that. We are going to we are using the raw money. We are using the raw money for the transactions. You want to save your money, you are going to get into the bank and deposit money like that. People were not using the internet transaction. People were not using the GPay. People were not using the, Google Pay and all. But now, I can transact the money to anywhere with the help of different sources. How it can be possible? How it can be possible? I'm sitting here. I want to transact the money to to my friend. He's in other state, Bangalore. I want to transact the money within a second. I don't need any sources like the bank and the deposit that sources and all. With the help of the GPay, with the help of the phone pay, with the help of the Paytm, I can transact the money. That is nothing but the digital money. Do you believe that right now? Of course, we are adapt that particular technology. Each and every day, we are transacting the money like this. That is called the digital India. Is it right? That is called the digital India. Now we are in digital India right now. 15 years before, we are not ready to adopt that particular technology because we don't have any sources on that. That time we could not imagine that we are entering this particular world. Am I right? Are you agreed that? Yeah, of course. Now, with the help of these particular single devices, we are using this particular artificial intelligence technology. Can you imagine that? Do you know that? Of course. We are using this one single devices because of we are adapted with this particular technology. We are using the artificial intelligence technology day by day. We are using GPay. We are using Instagram. We are using Netflix. We are using YouTube. We are using Facebook. Do you know one thing? I am very that addiction of the YouTube for watching the several videos and also the Netflix. I'm the user of artificial intelligence technology right now. Right? So without smartphone, we can't live today because of the technology is very, very, adaptive with us. Are you agreed that? Are you agreed that my point? Without this kind of the device, you can't live single 1 hour. Right? That means we are living in artificial intelligent technology right now. Am I right? Yeah. Who all are very familiar with Instagram? Please mention in the chat box, just mention in Instagram like that. Who all are very familiar in YouTube? Just mention in the fan of YouTube, just mention in YouTube. Who all are like that daily using the transaction, that is GPay or phone pay, just mention in digital transaction in command box. So just the interaction. Why? Because I want to continue this particular session as a very energetic way. So for that, you have to interact with me and try to understand. I want to interact with you more because of I'm talking in front of the laptop right now. The only medium is I can interact with you is command box. So please be interactive. Okay? Please be interactive. Yeah. Yeah, of course, Shubham, it is our basic needs like a food. Yeah, okay. Yeah, of course. Yeah. Who all are very familiar with Instagram, please mention in that. Who all are very familiar with Snapchat, please mention in that. Who all are very familiar in YouTube, please mention in that. And who all are very familiar in transaction, so maybe that businessman, so please mention in that. I'm regularly using the major applications. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and day by day I'm using this kind of the applications. This is called the AI integrated application. Do you know that? Snapchat, and also like the Netflix. Every day I'm using this kind of the application. Yeah, most of the people mention in that, of course. So what is the transition 15 years before and now the digital India is evaluating like this? That means we are living right now with the help of this particular technology. And one more thing, we are using the Aadhaar card right now for identity of us. With the help of one single device, the government can collect many things of you. For example, your thumb, your eye signs, all the things they have collected. Maybe you people are thinking like, yeah, we are in privacy world. No, you are giving your detail to the government. They have collected the data with the help of other concepts. With the help of that particular single devices only, we can buy a SIM right now. Am I right? How it can be possible? With the help of that particular identity card only, we can buy the single network SIMs. How? Maybe you people are thinking like, yeah, we are living in a privacy world. I mean a privacy world. No, nothing. We are not in a privacy world because of you are sharing your detail, you are sharing your data day by day. Then only you can get the recommendation from the different applications. And also with the help of that particular data only you can get the SIM. I mean yes. So that is actually a most important thing. Try to understand. So this is real-time examples also. Maybe sometimes we feel like, yeah, we are in privacy. No, the government has collected the many details with the help of one single Aadhaar card. When I'm going to enter the Aadhaar card number, it will shows all the details of you. How many accounts you have. Based on the account, what is your credit history. All the things they have collected for watching you. They are monitoring you day by day. How? Because of the data. And also they have collected the data by the help of these particular technology. When I am going to using the thumb, that time it will shows the detail. So what is the concept behind that? The fingerprint can't recognize in this, and that is called the fingerprint authentication. Based on that only, it will be shows the result. That is called the behind the technology, the computer vision technology is there to recognize a data. Understood? No? Are you agreed that, guys? My point. Are you agreed that? I hope I said many stories of artificial intelligence technology in present scenario. Hope you guys are really interested to listen that, right? So if it is very valid, that's conversation in the sense, please mention in the chat box valid Philip. Please mention in the chat box valid Philip. So without delay, I'm going to entering the discussion of artificial intelligence technology. So this discussion is most important. So without knowing the discussion of artificial intelligence technology, why we can entering that particular technology to know about this? What is present scenario? So that we have to know. After that only we have to entering this concept of artificial intelligence technology. I believe that. So that is why I want to share the several knowledge to you guys. Yeah, the particular duration of the discussion is very valid in the sense, please mention in the chat box valid Philip and try to understand. If you guys are really like this particular session, please give your likes of this particular session and give your heart in comment box right now. Please give your heart in comment box right now for continue my session as an energetic way. Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much for good response here. Yeah. Thank you. Right. So without delay, I'm going to enter the introduction of artificial intelligence technology. If you are a student of computer science, if you are a student of EZ, if you are a student of AAA, if you are a students of artificial intelligence departments, maybe you people are hear this kind of the word frequently. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning. What is that exactly? Yeah, we'll tell you one thing. Artificial intelligence technology is a very booming technology in present scenario. Each and every technology, they are using this particular technology and they are ready to get into this particular technology. Every companies they are ready to introducing the artificial intelligence technology. For example, Google Translator. So every time it may use for us. I don't know some kind of the English word meaning. That time I'm going to use it. Suddenly I'm going to entering the Google Translator to write a word and getting the meaning of that particular things. One language to the another language within a second it can be possible. But I'm going to entering one particular word. It can be giving the the translating your own language within a second. How? Yeah, of course, because of the artificial intelligence technology. Because of artificial intelligence technology, of course. When I are going to entering that particular technology, we hear this kind of the word machine learning and also the deep learning. Artificial intelligence technology can be possible with the help of these two different technologies. That is machine learning and also the deep learning. Try to understand, deep learning is a subset of the machine learning. The machine learning is a subset of the artificial intelligence. In general way, artificial intelligence is nothing but mimic like a human. Yeah, that I am going to explaining Mr. Shubham and Narka. Sure, I will explain. Okay, so machine learning and also the deep learning is a subset of the artificial intelligence technology here. And also the computer vision and NLP is there. So majorly machine learning and also the deep learning can be possible to train your computer. Of course, it can be possible, guys. Okay, right. So what is AI? So what is the exact definition of AI? Can you give your answer in chat box right now? Can you give your answer in chat box right now, guys? Yeah, okay, I will tell you. So you can split the word artificial and also the intelligence. Intelligence in the sense already we knows about the meaning of that particular intelligence. Intelligence in the sense the brain or anything. So based on the intelligence only we can taking the decision and all. Okay. So what is artificial? Artificial in the sense apart from the natural, that is artificial intelligence. That means the artificial intelligence technology is nothing but mimic like a human. That's it. That means the machine is going to be act like a human. How it can be? For an example, I can recognize several people here. For an example, I can recognize Renuka in command box. She is the past participant of my past program. That is, what is that? Artificial intelligence technology internship program. She was the participant. So that is why I can recognize. I can recognize very easily because of she is very participating on that particular technology. So that is why I can recognize because of I had an experience on that particular person, then only I can recognize. In simple way, I will tell you one thing. I can recognize Virat Kohli and also the Dhoni because of my past experience. In the same way, the computer also can recognize Virat Kohli. The computer also can recognize Dhoni in this, and that is nothing but artificial intelligence technology. That's it. That means the machine is going to be taking the decision. The machine is going to be think like a human. The machine is going to be like that, do the new things. That is nothing but artificial intelligence technology. That means artificial intelligence technology is nothing but we are going to machine to think, machine to act like a human, the machine to taking the decision. That we can create with the help of this particular technology. The machine can recognize anything. The machine is going to be interact to the people. The machine is going to be do the new things for people. Of course, that is artificial intelligence technology. Am I right? Am I right, guys? Yeah. So here, that is why I mentioned it, the several words of this one. What I said, that is the same meaning of this particular content. So I don't want to read this kind of definition of artificial intelligence. Here I mentioned the artificial intelligence is a method of making computer and the computer controlled robot and software think intelligently like a human mind. Of course. And we are using that particular technology as well, guys. Right. So this is artificial intelligence. You can see this one. So we are going to making the intelligent machine. That is nothing but artificial intelligence technology. For an example, AI is a branch of computer science, of course, yeah. And also that concerned with building a smart and also the intelligent machine. That is actually artificial intelligence is a purpose or objective is going to be creating the intelligent machine. If I'm going to say that intelligent machine or non-intelligent machine, so what is the differentiation between the intelligent machine and non-intelligent machines? I will tell you the example. You can see this one. Non-intelligent machine, watches, digital watch, analog watch. It is going to be do the same process day by day. And what about the bike? It is going to be do the routine work day by day. That particular machine will not think, will not taking the decision, will not do the new things. So that is why we can call it as it is non-intelligent machine. Can you understand what I'm saying, guys? Guys, please be reply. Can you understand what I'm saying? But what about intelligent machine? The best example of artificial intelligent technology in presently Tesla car. Without a driver, the car can drive. Recently, America, they introduced the cab without driver. Do you know that 2 weeks before they introduced? And I saw one videos of one of my friend follower. So he released that particular video. So that time one grandma and also her son is using that, right? Yeah. So recently, that America is introduced the without driver cab. That is self-driving car. If you are going to entering that particular car and enter the destination, it will be start and it will be tell the time to the reach the destination also. That is a superb application. Sivanandam, actually we are in peak of artificial intelligence technology present scenario. Do you know that? Yeah, we are in, of course. So for an example, without a driver, the car should react all the things. Am I right? That time, the car can think, the car can making the decision, the car can do the new things. Understood? For an example, the car should understanding the environmental like a human. What is that exactly meaning of this? I can understand and I can understanding the environmental and I can recognize all the object in front of me. Of course, it can be possible. For an example, in front of me, 2 water bottle is there. Here, I can recognize this is a water bottle. And I can recognize this is the cup. I can recognize, yeah, this is a cup. And I can recognize this is a mouse. and I can recognize this is another water bottle, and laptop is there, and mic is there. I can recognize very, very easily because of it is a easy task for the human. Then what about computer? That is the main task. The computer also can possible to recognize. The computer also possible to understanding the environmental. The computer also can possible to recognize all the object in the environmental. That is nothing but artificial intelligence technology. How it can be possible to recognizing the object? We should tell the computer, yeah, this is water bottle. This is that cup. We should tell the computer with the help of the several technology. After training the process, the computer can be recognized this is cup and also the water bottle in the sense, then only it can be possible. It is nothing but artificial intelligence technology. That means we have to train the computer with the help of the several technology algorithms. I want to train my computer. I want to teach my computer. I want to teach the machine. In the sense, that I need to collecting the data for that particular object. I need to choose the algorithm and for maybe that machine learning or deep learning algorithm. Okay, right? So this is actually like the Sivabalan oldest model I'm saying. I'm not saying about the the recent motorbikes. So try to understand. Okay, yeah. So the computer also can understanding the environmental mean we should train the computer with the help of the several kind of the data. That it can be possible with the help of the machine learning and also the deep learning algorithm to train the machine, then only the computer can recognize. Understood? No? For an example, I will show the one particular demonstration of this. The computer should recognize my age. How it can be possible? We should train the computer. We should train the computer before. Here I am using the pre-trained model for recognizing me. Already I trained and I am using to creating the age or gender deduction. Try to understand the computer can recognize what is my gender and what is my age. It can be possible. In general, you people can recognizing me. Okay, so you people can recognizing my gender and also my age. Can you please mention in the chat box what is my gender and also what is my age? That is an easy task for the human. Can you please reply me? Sometimes we are also very very risk task to recognizing age, but we can recognize easily the gender, but age is a little more difficulty. Can you please reply me? So what is so you guys are recognizing me, so what is my gender and what is my age, right? So can you please mention in the chat box right now your prediction and computer prediction is right or not? So when you are going to giving the reply, after that I am going to show the output of this particular what computer can recognize. These are the things we are going to compare today. Are you ready? Are you ready guys to see the output of this particular code? Are you guys ready to see the output of this particular code? Can you please reply? Yeah, you have to give the answer. After that we can compare your output and also the computer outputs. So when I see the commands, that is the human outputs. Try to understand. So some of the people, Abhi, Vibe mentioning male. What about my age, Abhi? Please mention it that. And Jaslyn mentioned male and 20. And 20 is very less for me. Okay, fine. And Shubham mentioned male 28 and 27. Most of the people giving the range of 25 to 28. And Hazina 22. Oh, thank you so much. And Abhi, I think 20 to 30 years old. Oh no. Okay, fine. And 19. That is too less. Okay, fine. Yeah. So most of the people giving the answer, their age range between 20 to 28 they mentioned in a command box, right? Yeah. And gender male. So now I'm going to run a code. You can see the output of this one. Now the output of the computer things. That means we are going to see the output of the artificial intelligence project. Try to understand. we are going to see the output of the artificial intelligence projects. What is the task? The computer going to be giving the result of my age and also the gender. Are you guys ready? Ready to see the output? So I'm going to run this particular code right now, and you can see the output of this particular things. Now the machine is going to be show the output of my age and also the gender. Sorry guys, are ready? Ready please. Indrajit, that is too high. Your prediction is wrong. Too wrong. Okay, fine. So now I'm going to run this. It is going to be accessing my camera. It is going to be accessing my camera, and the computer prediction is actually just a minute guys. Yes, okay, fine. Yeah. So the computer can be predicted male 25 to just a minute. Yeah. So because of my light, maybe that. Yes, okay. It shows that the age range between 25 to 32. Okay, it shows the 25 to 32. Okay, this is actually the try to understand. My age is actually that 26 completed and 27 like that. Okay, right. So this is my age. The computer can predict the age range between the 25 to 32. Why? Because of sometimes we can't predict it because of a human predicted the several age range between this. Okay, you can see this. You can see the output of this one. So most of the people not giving the exact answer. Some of the people the little bit oscillation. Some of the people giving the good answer. That is actually that sometimes it can't be that human also can't be predict perfectly, but the computer can also giving the result. So that is why the age range between 25 to 32, it will be giving the result. It will be giving the result. Okay, so this is possible. So this is called the example of artificial intelligence technology. Can you understand what I'm saying? Why I'm showing this particular output of this one? So just for the understanding, the machine can understanding the environmental and predict something what you train. And predict something what you train. Here I trained gender and also the age. That is the most important thing. So what is our target? The computer has to predict is actually the male and also the age range. Of course it can be possible. What are the technology behind this? Of course it is the common name is artificial intelligence technology. For computer training, deep learning technology. Okay, for image processing, we need a computer vision technology. Why? Because of we have to feed the multiple images for male, multiple images for female. Then only the computer can recognize, yeah, of course, this kind of the variety of the people, variety of the age group. Then only the computer can recognize based on the feature extraction. Understood? Yeah, exactly, Subham, exactly. Yeah. Based on the computer vision technology. Okay, fine. So this is the output of this particular code. Okay, right. So fine. So now as good. It's okay, fine. So this is what now hope you guys are understood about the artificial intelligence technology. We can making the intelligent machine like this kind of the example. That's it. The human can recognize the male and also the female and also the age. In the same way, the computer also can recognize that is nothing but intelligent. So that is why I can call it as the machine can think based on the feature. The machine can making the decision based on the feature. The machine can do the new things based on the feature. With the help of this particular technology. I show an example with the help of coding. I hope you guys are really understanding of this one, right? So it is really super cool now to see the output. It is super cool, right? So if it is super cool in the sense, please mention in the chat box, cool Philip. Please mention in the chat box, cool Philip, right? So now I'm going to enter, not needed the type of, how does it works? How the AI does works. For an example, one particular example I have to see. Okay, right. I have to choose this particular water bottle. When I show to in front of the machine, in front of the camera, that machine should recognize this particular water bottle. The machine should recognize this particular water bottle. How we can tell to the computer this is water bottle? That is the process. I will tell you. Okay, right. We have to collecting the multiple images for water bottle. Okay, so once you collecting the data for this particular water bottle, after that we need to pre-processing of that particular water bottle for computer understandable format. Can you understand what I'm saying? So we have to collecting the data. What is our target? The computer should recognize the water bottle. That is the object. So we have to collecting the data for water bottle and pre-processing that particular water bottle and tell to the computer this is water bottle with the help of the deep learning algorithm. Deep learning algorithm. With the help of that particular data, the deep learning algorithm is going to be extracting the features from that particular water bottle, and based on the features only it can be trained to the computer. After that, when you are going to feeding the new data to the trained model, that will be giving the result. Of course, it is a water bottle. Can you show the example of water bottle here? Try to understand. I have to collecting the multiple data for the water bottle and pre-processing that particular water bottle because of extracting the features for that particular water bottle. So pre-processing, collecting the data and pre-processing the data. So after that we need to choose the deep learning algorithm for object detection, that is called convolution neural network. The deep learning algorithm will help to train with the help of the pre-processed data. After that it can be giving the result. It is going to be trained. Once the model is trained, when you are going to feeding the new data, it will be giving the result. It will be giving the result. So I will show the example. Now I will show the example of object detection. Okay, I will show the example for object detection. Now the computer is going to be recognize the water bottle. Okay, so I will show the example of object detection. Okay, I will show the example of object detection code. Before that, we trained with the help of the convolution neural network, that is YOLO V3. That is the most important algorithms. YOLO V3 is the most important object detection algorithms. That means it is developed based on the convolution neural network concept. Now I will show the example of object detection, that is water bottle recognition. Okay. Now what is the output I am going to show to you? The computer is going to be recognize the water bottle right now. Are you guys ready to see the output of this one? Are you going to see the see the output of this particular water bottle recognition? Are you guys ready? Guys, if you guys are ready, means please mention in the chat box ready Philip. Please mention in the chat box ready Philip, guys. After that I will show the output of this particular code. Okay. Now the computer is going to be recognizing this particular object. Okay. We know this is a water bottle. What about computer? Computer doesn't know. So for that we trained. Okay. For that we trained. We are collecting the data for this particular water bottle and we are going to pre-processing it and training with the help of the deep learning algorithm convolution neural network. After training this one, when you are going to feeding the new data to the camera, it will be giving the results. So this particular process, I will show the example. This particular process, I will show the example with the help of one particular code of AI. So for this particular code, the output of this particular code, it is going to be recognizing the object in front of the camera. Yes, most of the people is ready. I'm also ready to show the output. Just see the output of this particular code. Okay, right. I'm going to run at this and it is going to be accessing the camera. My machine is going to be accessing the camera. Now it is going to be recognized Yeah, it is person. Yeah, of course it is person. The computer is recognize. Yeah, the computer is recognize. Yeah, person. I will not tell it is Philip. I tell only the person. That's it. So that is why the computer is recognized. Yeah, person. Okay, right. This is called the deduction, not recognition. Try to understand. This is the deduction, not recognition. Recognition in the sense the computer will says it is Philip. Okay, right. The output is super cool. I will show you this one. Yeah, just a minute, guys. Yo, okay, fine. Yes, it is. It is. It is actually. Just a minute. It shows banana. We'll see what is the water bottle of this one. Okay. So I can't access in the live camera, so for that it will be making some delay. Just a minute, I will run it one more time. Okay, fine. I will run it one more time. And what is the output of this one? Maybe they will train in a plastic water bottle, I think so. It will not predict it very well. Yeah. Yeah. So I will show the another container. It shows the toothpaste. It is not. Yeah. Okay, fine. It is not recognizing. So I will show to use the yeah. Because of some lighting, it can't be recognized properly. It shows cup. It shows cup. Yeah, just a minute. Yeah. Okay, it shows cup is actually exactly correct. And I will show this another one. Yeah, cup. It actually shows because of like another some of the lighting, maybe that it will be predicted not good. So cup is good. And I will show this another thing in front of the things. Yeah, cell phone. Understood? Yeah, it is super cool, no? Yeah, cell phone. Yeah, it shows to recognizing the cell phone. And any other thing, we didn't train the mouse, but it will shows the remote, I thought. Yeah. Okay, fine. Cell phone. It's look like a cell phone, so for that it is recognized like this. Okay. Yeah. Okay, fine. Is okay. And one more thing, any other thing? So I don't have a toothpaste. So it is this particular system is recognizing 81 objects. These particular like the output is going to be recognized 81 objects. Okay. Yeah, maybe LL cooking channel. Yeah. Exactly, Abhi Vibnet. So just for the example only, I will show the output of this one. Okay. So this is what the machine can recognize like this. We are recognizing very easily. But how it can be? Because of the data of like the mobile phone, because of the data of cup, we should train the computer. Okay. So for that only it can be possible. I hope you guys are clearly understanding how the AI works. Okay. Right. Now I will be moved to the way of implementation. Okay. Right. Artificial intelligence technology, we show the several outputs of this particular like another artificial intelligence. But it can be possible with the help of machine learning and also the deep learning algorithm. And try to understand the machine learning and also the deep learning algorithm is majorly help to train the computer. The majorly will help to teach the computer with the help of the past data. Understood? So machine learning and also the deep learning algorithm and deep learning technology will help to train our computer. Okay, train your computer. Okay, so when most of the people like getting little more confusion of machine learning and also the deep learning. Try to understand the deep learning and also the machine learning objective is same. With the help of the past data, we have to train the computer. For example, I will show the one particular example. I can recognize this particular water bottle. I can recognize Virat Kohli. I can recognize this particular smartphone. How? How? Can you please reply? How? How, guys? Can you please reply? I can recognize water bottle. I can recognize Virat Kohli. I can recognize like that NTR. I can recognize superstar. I can recognize like that Tendulkar. I can recognize Modi. I can recognize my CM MK Stalin. I can recognize Jagan Mohan Reddy. I can recognize that Chandrasekhar Reddy something. I can recognize. How? How? Based on the shape? Yeah, Chepin said based on the shape. Yeah, that is also the good answer because of the feature. That means already I had an experience on that particular person's. That is an easy task for me because of I knows them already. I had an experience on them. I had seen them learned from them. For example, Narendra Modi, I know. Rahul Gandhi, I know, opposition party. Narendra Modi, ruling party, that is a feature. Who is the prime minister? That is a feature. Then only I can recognize. Because of already I had an experience. That means already I trained with the help of some kind of the experience, with the help of some kind of the data, with the help of some kind of someone is teaching me. Right? In the same way, the computer also can recognize, it can be possible. That time we need to give the experience to the computer to recognize Virat Kohli, recognize water bottle, recognize Narendra Modi, recognize Rahul Gandhi, recognize my CM MK Stalin. That means we should give the experience to them. That means mission. Then only it can be possible. How we can giving the experience? How we can giving the experience? With the help of the data of Narendra Modi, with the help of the data of Rahul Gandhi, with the help of the data of Virat Kohli, with the help of the data of Dhoni, we have to tell the computer based on the features, this is Dhoni, this is Narendra Modi, this is Rahul Gandhi. With the help of the several kind of the feature, with the help of the several kind of the data for the different personality, we have to feed the computer with the help of the deep learning or machine learning algorithm, then only the computer can train. That means we have to create a model, we have to train a model with the help of the past data. How we can creating the model? We can creating the model with the help of the machine learning and also the deep learning. When I was feeding the past data to the machine learning model or deep learning model, that is going to be extracting the feature. Based on the features, it is going to be trained. After that, it is going to be recognized, it is going to be predict when I am going to feeding the new data. Now I hope you can understand what is the purpose of the deep learning and also the machine learning. The computer should recognize Narendra Modi. In the sense, we should collecting the data for Narendra Modi. After that, we should create the technology to train. That means I am going to creating a deep learning model. I have to feed the data to the deep learning model. The deep learning model is going to be trained based on the features of the Narendra Modi. After that only it can be trained very well. When I am going to feeding the new images for a Narendra Modi to trained model, it can be predicted. Yeah, of course it is a Narendra Modi. It can be possible. That means the deep learning technology and also the machine learning technology to help the training. That's it. The deep learning and also the machine learning technology will help to giving the experience to the machine. Understood? I hope you guys are really understanding about this particular concept. Okay, yeah, if you guys are really understanding this particular concept and if you guys are really enjoying this particular session, don't forget to hit the like button and give your heart in comment box right now. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Right? Because of this kind of the knowledge, you need that in the sense, please subscribe our channel for the further information and give your likes and give your heart as well. So we are expecting to giving the more encouragement from you. After that, I can continue like this, a very energetic way of this particular session. Right? So I hope you guys are really enjoying this particular session. I felt and I hope. If you guys are really enjoying this in the sense, please confirm it in chat box. Give your heart. Okay? Right. So what is the components of AI? So already we knows about it. I will tell you one by one. Already I discussed with the machine learning and also the deep learning. The machine learning and deep learning is will help to giving the experience to the machine with the help of the machine learning algorithm and also the deep learning algorithm. I will send the feedback link to you all. So the several team will give the feedback link to you guys. So please, yeah. Sukuna ma'am, can you please share the feedback link to them? They are expecting to giving the feedback. I think so. So please give the review link to them. Okay. Please give the review link to them. Yeah, the team will send it to you. No problem. Yes. Okay. Right. The machine learning and also the deep learning. That particular machine learning and also the deep learning will help to giving the experience to the machine with the help of the past data. That's it. That means just keep it in your mind. Machine learning and deep learning is most important technology to train your machine. That's it. Then what about the NLP and what about computer vision? That is a supportive system for these two technologies. For an example, guys, I need one favor from you. So you guys are really enjoying this particular session. Okay, so I will tell you that. Yes, okay. They just a minute. Sorry. Just go to the browser. Okay. Just do it, guys. If you guys are really like this particular session, okay. If you guys are really like this particular session, you are enjoying the session. And one more thing, you are getting the good knowledge from my side. Okay. So from my side, in the sense, don't forget to give your reviews. Okay, they have shared in the comment box right now. Just use that particular link. Okay, it is directly go to this particular page and give your star 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. So this is our star. So I'm expecting 5-star from you guys and give your feedback here what you learned. And if you learned from my side in this, please mention my name also. That is the most important thing. Okay, so give your reviews. They have shared already the reviews, review link. So use that link and give the reviews. That is most important. Okay, so will you do that for me? So if you guys are really getting the good knowledge from my side, and it is very useful platform, and you guys are engaged and very interesting like this particular session in the sense, give your feedback through this link. The link is pinned in the comment box. The link is shared in the comment box. Also, I will share it to you one more time to you guys. So review link. So I'm expecting you people are giving the reviews. That is most important. So reviews, feedback, review. Guys, don't forget to give your reviews. So that is most important thing. So I will share it to you. And I will share the several knowledge. Once you complete this particular program, you can give all, a slide has been completed. After that, you can give the reviews. Okay, right. So NLP. NLP is nothing but natural language process. The natural language process means, for example, you people are understanding my language. because I'm speaking in English. Sometimes you people can't understand my language, my mother tongue language, that is Tamil. Okay, if I'm speaking in Tamil in the sense you can't understand. நான் இப்போ தமிழில் உங்ககிட்ட பேசிட்டு இருக்கேன் அப்படின்னா you people are not can't understanding that, right? So several sentences I'm making in Tamil only, right? So நான் தமிழில் பேசிட்டு இருக்கேன், நான் தமிழில் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன் அப்படின்னு சொன்னா you people can't understand. You people can't understand. But with the help of these particular NLP, you can translate. The machine can translate to giving the output. Little more advanced like a human. Right? Yeah, little more advanced like a human. Yes, Puriyum. Okay, thank you. So, எனக்கு தமிழ் தெரியும், நான் தமிழில் பேசிட்டு இருக்கேன், நான் தமிழில் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன் அப்படின்னா உங்களால வந்துட்டு அதை அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணிக்க முடியுமானா உங்களுக்கு தமிழ் தெரியாது அப்படின்னா அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணிக்க முடியாது. பட் அதே விஷயத்த but at the same time, okay, but at the same time when I'm going to using the Google Translator, that it can be possible to translate the one language into the another language. It can be possible to translate in English. Is it no? So just for the example only I'm speaking in Tamil. I was speaking in Tamil. So sorry for that. Yeah, some of the people can understand Tamil also. That's good. And happy to meet you here, Abhi and Tamil Selvan. Yeah, thank you. And Abhi, you are Malayali. That's good. You can also understand the Tamil language, I felt. Yeah, fine. So NLP is nothing but the natural language process. What is the major purpose? The major purpose is actually the natural language process is majorly help to understanding the human language. And it can be possible to interact. That means with the help of the NLP technology, you can interact to the computer with the help of this particular medium. I can interact to the machine like a chatbot and chatbot AI. So now that Snapchat, no, they are using one particular AI chatbot. I was talking with them, okay, just for the experience only. So I will share that. That time I'm typing one particular word. I feel like very down. I want to talk to you. Are you ready? And that particular AI set, okay, that particular AI set is actually the AI said to me, yes, I'm ready. So are you comfortable right now? Like that, it is interact with me. It was interact with me like that. That that is a good interaction. I'm talking to the machine. I'm talking to nothing else. I want to making some secrets to machine. It can be. That time I was feel like very bad. And I want to share to the machine. I want to share to anyone. But people are not ready to listen my words in the sense that I'm going to, that time I was ready to share the Snapchat. I made a conversation with nearly 15 minutes with AI. And that AI will give the very peaceful words for me. Try to understand. The machine gives the peaceful and super words for me. I'm entering the several kind of the things to AI. Chatbot in Snapchat. You can try. So if you people are wish to try that in the sense, please try that. It can be possible. That time I felt like that very down. I want to that encouraging myself without any help. And it says the several good answer for me. You can also try that. It says the several answer. Most of the people, I felt you can try it today. Just entering anything. Just that say, I love you. I want to talk to you. It is ready to give the result within a minute. And I sent one snap also yesterday. And it gives the replies. Wow, super picture. You look like handsome. I want to talk to you more. If anything you want to share to me, the machine is asking to me. This magic is happened because of the artificial intelligence technology. Okay? It can be possible with the help of the artificial intelligence technology, guys. Try to understand. You can send any snap. It will be giving the result like this. You people are very familiar in Snapchat in the sense, please. Okay? Please use that. And 2-3 days before, I sent one particular message to AI. I'm really happy today because of I had a good conversation with one particular technical guy, and it gave the professional content to me. And I asked some question to AI, it gave me the good results. So one day I searched a simple way, just for the understanding only I'm saying. One day I searched in chat box, I want to propose my girlfriend, how can I? Just for the example. And it gives a result in a very perfect way. And a little more romantic way also. The machine give the answer like this based on your content. Okay, based on your content. So try to understand. So it can be possible with the help of in one single technology, guys. Maybe you people are ready to try that in the sense, please use the Snapchat and Snapchat AR and it will give the results. And now coming into the computer vision. For an example, the computer vision, best example, you are using the smartphone user. You are the user of smartphone user, right? So if I am going to show my face in front of the mobile phone, it is going to be unlocked. Try to understand. It is locked, okay? It is locked, but you people are not it is not unlocked. So I'm going to show my face, okay? I'm going to show my face. It is going to be unlock. Try to understand. Yeah, the face unlock is the computer vision technology. Yeah, face unlock is the computer vision technology. Okay, face unlock is a computer vision technology right now. Yes, okay. Tamare Kannan, what is your query? Can you please? So feedback link is actually so Sukuna ma'am, can you please explain that particular question, because they are asking the question. I don't know exactly what is that exactly. Okay, just mention in that. So we are not ready to disappointing you guys. Don't say like that. So we are always making you happy to sharing the technical knowledge. Try to understand. Don't say like that. We are not like that to giving the this kind of the disappointment. If it is very disappointment in the sense, we are apologies for that. And if you have any query, they will ready to answer. You can ask. Okay, right? Yes, okay, fine. Now the computer vision is actually the one of the best example is face unlock and face recognition, object detection. With the help of the object detection, it can be possible with the help of the computer vision and also the deep learning. What kind of the object it will be displayed, that is deep learning. And detection is actually can be possible with the help of the computer vision. Right? So I will show the one of the example of that. Yeah, fine. So I will run this one more time. What is that? Object detection. So it is going to be recognized. I will show the example. The square box is deducted. It is denoted as a deduction. That is the computer vision. So what is the object? It is a person. That is deep learning. Understood? Okay. What is that actually? For an example, that deduction, object deduction is actually computer vision. What is exactly that particular object that is mentioning person? No, that is deep learning. I hope you guys are understood. Okay, I hope you guys are understood about this. For an example, a cell phone. Okay, fine. Yeah, the computer is going to be recognized. Okay, that particular rectangle box is nothing but deduction, and cell phone is nothing but the deep learning. Okay, so hope you guys are understood about the example of this one, right? Yeah, fine. So that's it. So this is all about the every technologies. I hope you guys are understood about this. Machine learning, deep learning will help to giving the experience to the machine. And also, just a minute. Yeah, NLP will help to interact with you with the help of chatbot as several things. And computer vision will help to understanding the environmental. Yes. Now I will show the example of real-time example, daily life examples. For an example, we are a user in a smartphone, right? So just a minute, guys. Yeah, we are a user in a smartphone, right? So I will show the several AI integrated applications. How does it work? This kind of the things. I will show the example one by one. You can watch the video and give your feedback also of this. Okay, right? Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Are you guys are ready? If you guys are ready means please mention in the chat box, yes, Philip. If you guys are ready means please mention in the chat box, yes, Philip. Why? Because of I'm expecting to more interaction, because I'm talking to you. The only medium is comment box, so I want to more interaction. So that is why I'm expecting to give the answer in chat box. Abhi vibe. Yes, that is actually good. Abhi vibe, superb. When I see this comment, that is actually a good idea. Yeah. So I getting the less reply from the different participants. I'm expecting more reply from you guys. I hope nearly 100 plus participants watching this particular session. I thought, I don't know exactly. So, but you people are giving the less results. So I don't want to see like that. So please give your more interaction. Yeah. Okay. Fine. So the first example, you can see this already. You guys knows about the daily life uses in AI. AI uses in daily life already, you knows about it. Okay, you knows about it. So, but I want to show the several example for a good idea. Okay, just you can see this one. The first one, Instagram. You can watch this particular video. Example of recommendation system of e-commerce website. So when I making the screenshot of it, screen shaver. On the day I was searching that kids dress for my sister's the daughter. Okay, so that time it is going to be collecting the data of my history, and it is giving the recommendation in the Instagram page. You can see this one, 1, 2, 3 e-commerce website giving the recommendation. This is the fourth one, right? So all the dresses recommended, that is the hit dresses based on my past searched history in a different platform. That is actually like they are collecting the data from my site. Maybe you people are had an experience on this, right? So if it is yes in the sense, please mention in the chat box. Yes. Right now, we'll be moved to the lens card, the technology behind computer vision and also the deep learning. I will say the example of this one. The lens card is creating the one particular application for recommending spectacle. So this is more useful for me. So when I show to the camera of lens card application, it is going to be analyzing my face. It is going to be finding the key points of my face, and you can see this one 463 facial points. It is going to be recognized, and it will be giving the size of the face. That is actually 138 mm. And after that, based on the the face measurement and also the eye measurement, it is going to be giving the recommendation of different spectacle. Understood? So I will run one more time, and you can see this. You can see this. The application is going to be recognizing my face and finding the key points of my face. Based on the measurement, it is going to be giving the analyzing points and also the measurements. After that, based on the measurements, it is going to be giving the recommendation of myself. It is interesting, no? It is interesting. Guys, please reply. So most of the people are ready to put in the attendance, I thought. Okay, fine, no problem. Yeah. So please give your reply of this. Yeah, now I'm going to move to the next application. Google Map destination. Okay, so when I'm going to searching, I'm going to searching the Marina Mall in Chennai. From my distance to that distance, it is going to be giving the recommendation. And one more thing, the location, distance, and orange color and also the red color, it will be notifies the traffic and also the stuck. Based on the red color, stuck. And orange is nothing but like too much traffic on that particular location. That is also kind of the recommendation of that particular location, right? Yeah. Hope you guys are really interesting to watch this, right? Amazon Prime, Netflix, recommendation system, movie recommendation system, based on the actor, based on the genre, based on the music movie director, the movie is going to be recommended based on your past history. Based on your past history, the Amazon Prime and also the Netflix is going to be giving the recommendation of this. You can watch this because of you watched Ponniyin Selvan. So for that, it is going to be recommended the related the genre of the movie. And based on the language also. Language is one of the feature. Director, several kind of the things. And mostly I'm watching Malayalam movie in Netflix. So for that is going to be giving the recommendation like this. You can see this because of you watched Oru Thekkam Tallu case. So for that it is going to be giving the recommendation of different languages based on the genre, based on the direction, and you can see this. Yeah, most of the Malayalam movies is recommended to me because of I watched that. That is a Malayalam movie. Yes. And YouTube. A speech recognition is a transcript is the one of the best example for the artificial intelligence technology, and you can watch this. The Age of AI is one of the series. You can watch that. That is a much more interesting things to getting good knowledge of AI. So that is the documentary series. If you want to watch that in the sense, please spend the time on this. I'm going to search it, and one particular person is going to be like in the speaking
Welcome
about
to
this.
YouTube original stages.
Sorry.
Once home to Howard Hughes' Spruce Goose assembly hangar, and home to much of the first Iron Man,
I
filmed
didn't
12
get
years
any
ago.
voices, no? Oh, fine.
Many happy memories here. And speaking of taking a look back,
Transcriptor on,
technology,
it is going to be giving
it's
the
advancing
transcript.
faster and taking less time to be widely adopted than
After
ever
that, I'm
before.
going to off
Like,
that.
as in it took roughly
There is no
10,000 years to
transcript.
go from writing to printing press, but only about
If you
500
want,
more
wish
to
to
get
know about the artificial intelligence technology documentation, you can see this. This documentary is much more interesting things of this. Next, Snapchat is a good things. It is also one kind of augmented reality technologies as well. So you can see this one. Based on your content, NLP technology, based on your content, it is going to be giving the meta sticker. Hey, like that. You can see this. And I am going to enter the good morning. Based on the greetings, it is going to be giving the meta sticker for the Snapchat. You can see this one. My sticker and my friend sticker is there. It is going to be recommended based on your content. This happening. Meta sticker. Understood, no? Understood, guys? And Spotify, based on your past history, listening of your music, it is going to be giving the recommendation. Usually I'm listening to SPP music, Ilayaraja music, and Pradeep Kumar music. Yeah, you can see this. Listen, made for Philip is a recommendation. You can see this on recommendation system. Based on my past listening of the music, it is going to be recommended SPP, Sesudas, Ilayaraja. Yeah, so this is about the explanation of AI daily life. Yeah, so now my question is, maybe you people had an experience on this kind of the application. Do you know that before, in the sense, just please mention in the chat box. Do you know that before, just mention in the chat box. Guys, please be reply here. Already you guys knows about that, in the sense, please mention in the chat box. Which application you had an experience on AI integrated. Do you know that before? Do you know that before? Know that in the sense, please mention in the chat box, yes, Philip. Okay, right, so that's fine. So I'm expecting the good reply from you guys. Please be reply. So now the comment box is actually a little more slow. I don't want to see like that. So please continue this. Within 5 minutes, I'm going to finish it this particular session. So please be engaged with me. I'm talking to you guys. I'm talking for you only. I want to sharing the I share the knowledge to you only. If you people are not the giving the good response, in the sense that will be little more down to me to continue this particular session. So please give your answer. Yes, this is all about the every industry's applications. For an example, gaming. PUBG is one of the interesting gaming of that, and social media, healthcare, educational, entertainment, agriculture, and manufacturing companies. They recently one particular company they inventing to monitoring the manufacturing and accuracy and good products, quality checking. Okay, they are using artificial intelligent robots without lessing the less the manpower of this one. So robot can predict it very well of this, and e-commerce website, and travel prediction, flight delay, and one more thing, ticket booking. No, if it is a festival time, if it is weekend time, the red bus and also the happy bus, they are increasing the price. Right? How it can be? Because of automatically generated based on the dates. That is also the recommendation of that. For example, if it is Diwali, if it is Pongal, if it is Christmas, if it is Ramjan, okay, that time the price will be very high. I want to go to the native, that time I am going to checking the red bus. It is nearly like another 1,200 and 1,800 to 2,000. Generally, I'm going in sleeper nearly between the 1,000 only, but it will be more increasing based on the things, and based on the kilometer. Rapido, Olo, they are Ola, they are giving that prices of that based on the distance, and flight delay based on the weather condition. The flight will be coming delay like that. Yeah, of course. Bro, explain the IRTC ticket booking detail, how it is possible. Yeah, that is actually good. IR, like another CTC, that is the railway department in India. You can see one thing, tracking things, okay? Tracking things, maybe you had an experience on this, I don't know exactly. I watched that one time, okay? They are giving the destination from, try to understand guys, in Chennai, Tamil Selvan, in Chennai, that IRCTC is train prediction timing, arrival timing and departure timing is predicted perfectly when comparatively with other stations. That is a first number prediction system in Chennai. They predicted perfectly that particular systems. And one more thing, when I'm going to using that tracking system, no, it will be predicted perfectly. If it is delay in the sense, it will be noted very perfectly. How? Because of the behind the system machine learning technology. That means each and every station, it is going to be collecting the data from the user. Maybe you can try that. It is going to be asking one particular question. Are you in that particular station? In the sense, you are going to click that, in the sense, it will be collecting the data from us. And it is noted the timing as well. When I am going to click that yes, it is going to be collecting the data from us. It is asking the question to you from the user, and it is going to be collecting the data from the user. It can be predicted very well. That is the prediction only. It can be possible to prediction systems. Okay, right? That it can be possible actually. That right. The next, robotics. And yeah, that's it. So this is all about applications in real time. Yeah. So and one more application I want to show the output of AI. Okay, what is that? Hand Husher. So I will show the one more example output of this one. So I don't want to explain the code here. So just wait guys. Based on what is the hand husher, in the sense, it is going to be like that, recognize the hand sign, a thumbs up and thumbs down, peace, call and pinch, peace, like that. It is going to be recognized, and you can see this. Sorry guys, are excited to see the output of this one? So we'll see it. Maybe it will be recognizing it very well, or maybe getting the. I don't know exactly. We'll see. I'm using the new laptop. I'm going to run it in first time in this laptop. You can see this. They're taking the time, I think so. Yeah. I hope you guys are really enjoying this particular session, guys. If you guys are really enjoying this lesson, please give your feedback. Okay, please give your feedback. Yes. So it is going to be switched on the, running it perfectly. It is going to be accessing the camera right now. Now you can see this one. It is going to be like that accessing my hand, that key points. Okay, right. So now I'm going to like that thumbs up, thumbs down, peas. Okay, sorry, peas. Okay, peas. And what is that? Rock, right? Yeah, rock. So this is a rock, I think so. Yeah, and the computer can recognize. It can be possible with the help of computer vision for recognizing the hand signs, and also the what is that exactly? Rock is deep learning, right? And call me and live long. Okay, live long like that. We live long. Okay, and punch. Fist is actually like that fist. You okay? So it is going to be recognizing very perfectly, right? So now you can like that. I'm going to show the example one by one. Are you guys ready? So when I'm going to show the that computer can recognize what kind of a sign in the sun, that time also you can give the commands in command box. Thumbs up in the sun, give the thumbs up. Thumbs down in the sun, give the thumbs down. And peas in the sun, peas. So please mention in the chat box. After that we can wind up the session for a little more interesting to finishing this particular session. Ready? Ready, guys? What you are going to recognize in the sun, you can mention in the chat box. Okay? So the computer also can recognize what exactly I'm going to do. You guys are ready to do that? So please, I want to engage with you. So for that, okay, just for making little more interesting, I don't want to make my session as a boring way. So just at the end of the session, I want to making, LL cooking channel, you are not ready means no problem. So other participant can join me. Okay. LL, you are not ready means no problem. Just listen it. That's it. Okay. Right now, thumbs up. I'm waiting for your comments. After that, I will be moved to the next. So thumbs up. The computer is recognizing thumbs up and thumbs down. Thank you. MT15, it's mentioning thumbs up, bro. So thumbs up, thumbs down. Okay. So these two things, thumbs up and thumbs down. Thumbs up and thumbs down. Okay. Yeah, I didn't get any reply from you guys. Can you please reply me right now? Tamil Chelvan, thank you for the good reply. Yeah. So you people can recognizing very well. Thumbs down, thumbs up. Yeah, that's good. So next we'll move to the next sign. Peas. Peas. If you're not getting any signs in the sense, like that smiley in the sense, just use the peas. That's it. A word. Peas. Okay. And peas is done now. Call me. And so once the call me is done, after that I will be moved to the fist to all. Okay. So peas to all. Call me to all. Peas to all. Peas to all. And call me to all. Okay. And after that, pissed. Okay, so I don't want to piss to you all. So just for making fun. That's it. Okay, pissed. And what is the next thing? Okay, fine. Live long. Okay, live long. So live long like this. That is called V. Okay, and rock man. So rock all. So I hope it is rocking session, I thought. So rocking all. So most of the people like that giving me pissed. Okay. Yeah. So rock. Next, fish done, no? Fish done and live long done and rocking. So sorry, rock, Tamil children, you are very active. Thank you. Yeah. Rock and next, what should I do? Stop. So today, I'm going to stop right now. So I'm going to stop right now. Yes. It's okay, that's good. Yeah, very interesting to getting the good reply from. Yes, thank you. Yes, okay, thank you so much for this wonderful session. Thanks you so much for giving me this particular opportunity to sharing my knowledge to you guys. And yeah, Melvin Victor, thank you for this. Yeah. Yes, okay, right. So this is all about today, and I will share the review link to you guys. Don't forget to give your feedback of this particular session. That is the most important thing. If you want to learn more about this particular technology step by step, you can visit our website www.pantechelearning.com. If you want to learn about the artificial intelligence technology and machine learning technology more, please visit our website www.pantechelearning.com. Okay, www.pantechelearning.com. And if you want to connect with me in this sense, just follow the Instagram page. So they shared already that link. Okay, and you want to connect with me in mail way. So philip.pedit@pantechmail.com. philip.pedit@pantechmail.com. Okay, right. So you want to learn more about the artificial intelligence technology in this sense, please follow our channel. You want to need to more to know about the technologies in the sense, we are always available to sharing our knowledge to you guys. So visit our channel Pantech eLearning in YouTube. Visit our website www.pantechelearning.com. Right. So now I'm going to entering my time. Every session I'm going to use it this particular my time. So today I have a time to explain it. So for that. So some kind of the motivational quotes is very impressive for me, and sometimes I want to share that to you, most of the persons. So these particular motivational quote to you and for me as well. Okay, right. Don't settle for an average. If you are going to satisfied in this sense, you will not work on the several things. Don't be satisfied. If you are going to learn anything, don't be satisfied for that learn. Okay, so that is why I mentioned it here. Don't settle for average. If I'm performing today is very satisfied in the sense, yeah, I will be make better than this particular program. That is most important thing. That is my success. So don't settle for average. Bring your best to the moment. So today I felt like that I given my best moment of this particular program when comparatively with other programs. Then whether it is failed, no problem. You are going to try your best on the particular things. That time it is okay. Whether it is failed, yeah, it's okay. It's experience. Whether it is succeed, yeah, enjoy the moment and don't be satisfied. At least gave you what you had. That's it. Gave all you had. That is the most important thing. So don't settle for an average. Bring your best to the moment. What you can, what you will be achieved, just bring it out and give your best on that particular moment. Whether it is fail or succeed, no problem. But you have to do it. Maybe some of the the method will not or maybe did not work out for me this particular session. I don't know. But I want to try. I have to give the 100% on that. I tried. I did. Whether it is fail or success, that is not a problem for me. But now I felt like it is succeed. So for that, the program is going to be finished up in a very good review. So for that time, when you are going to bring it out, at least you gave all you had. What are the things you had that will be giving you? Okay, that time you can give yours. Okay, right? So don't settle for average. What you have, as much you can, just bring it out and give that moment, and then only it can be maybe succeed or failure. Succeed or failure, no problem. Failure is experience, succeed is an enjoying moment. That's it. Okay, so keep it in your mind, and all the best for your bright future. And thank you so much for joining this particular wonderful program, and thank you so much for giving me this wonderful opportunity, and thanks so much for to your coordinators and your college. And yeah, if you have any queries furtherly, you can contact, okay, as philip.pedit@pantechmail.com. So I will share the review link also. So give your the best review. I'm expecting the good review from you guys. Why? Because of you guys are really enjoying this particular session, I hope. So please give your reviews through the link. Okay, through the link. I will share it one more time to you, and enjoy, and all the best for your bright future. Keep it in your mind. Don't settle average. Bring your best for any time. Thank you, MT15PK. Thank you so much. Kudos to your teaching spirit, sir. Thank you. You are awesome. Thank you so much. And thank you, Vadyar. Miss you a lot. Tamil Silvan, thank you. Ramban Andri. Okay. You're calling me as Vadyar. I don't want to be a Vadyar. Okay. So, okay. Thank you. Anyway, thank you. Melvin Victor. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Any other queries? Jebin, thank you. Danu, thank you. Jocelyn, bye-bye. And Hazina, Saitu, thank you. Don't call me sir, call me Philip, is comfortable for me. And Tamil Selvan, I don't want to be a Vatyar. I want to be a mentor and also the friend. That's it. Elil, thank you. Dhanyavad. And bro, you are fire. Thank you. Vijaya Subhashini, thank you. Vatyar means teacher or professor. Any other queries from you guys? Superb, Renika. Thank you. You're rocking. Thank you. Oh, that is much more interesting. Abhi by Tech. Thank you. Okay guys, thank you. If possible, I will meet you in the next session. So we are going to conduct the deep learning technology from October 2. If possible, you can join us and learn more about the several technology in present scenario. If you wish to continue, you can join us by YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, like this kind of the experience. Okay, don't forget our channel. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. So if you guys are really interesting to watch this kind of the program, in the sense, subscribe our channel, you will get the notification of this future. So please watching us and enjoying us. Thank you so much. Bye bye. All the best for your bright future. Have a great day. Good night all. Have a delicious dinner also. Bye bye.